SOFI update here on the 24th. So what happened today that is a pretty big clue that SOFI probably bottomed? I think it should be pretty obvious, but what it is that we got divergence between SOFI and the overall market. Overall market, SPY finished at the lows of the day. SOFI finished at the high of the day. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's the bottom, but based on the chart and us hitting the bottom of this falling wedge, I would say it's more than likely. You can see here, you can look at these waves as well. So again, we have A, B, C, D, and E. And if you look at this down move right here, it was ABC. So it was like that. So D was right here, A, B, C, like that. And on the 4-hour time frame, it appears that there's actually 5 waves here on the final C wave. So 1, and then we broke up here, finished at the high of the day. SPY is at the low of the day. It looks like a bottom to me. So I would give it a very, very, very small chance of going down and making new lows before we start actually moving. So what does this mean from here on out? It means that we're probably in a C wave. A, B, and C. And if you didn't watch the past videos, I've been saying this last couple of videos, but the minimum target is the 0.61 fib. That's right here at 860. So this could go as low as right here, or it could go all the way up to 1450. I would say that's less likely, but it's possible. But after that happens, we should have one more move lower, unfortunately. Back down here again. So right now, just looking at what happened today, I would say I would give it like a 95% chance we bottomed. Unless SPY goes lower. If SPY were to go lower to 530 to 535, then we're probably going to make a new low. But just down to here, I would say there's a good chance that we already bottomed. And so what's the first spot that I'd be looking at for resistance? Probably right here in this 3-day supply zone. You have the 20 and you have the 50 right here at 678 and at $7. So we have a little bit of resistance. As soon as we get above those and then break the parallel line, then I want to see it break 795, and then we're headed straight to 860. So are we going to get a straight up move? I would say it's more than likely. It's going to be similar to this because it's a C wave. C waves are usually explosive, and yeah, we'll see where it goes, but it looks great to me. This could take a month, could take 2 months. I would guess we're probably going to run all the way into earnings. So earnings are, I don't even know the date of earnings, probably late July, early August. So we should be running into earnings. And then it just kind of depends on where we're at in the C wave. Are we going to be all the way through 5 waves? Are we going to be a third wave? To tell what's going to happen after earnings. So everything looks good. Looks like we can head up here to a minimum 677 to 740. That's 3-day supply. And again, the overall structure is this. I showed this over and over, but I'll do it again. This is what I see. So look for that C wave up over the next month or two. That's all I got for today. The biggest clue that we probably bottomed was the divergence. SPY did not affect us at all when we were at the highs. We stayed up around the highs. So anyway, that's it. Give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll put out another video tomorrow. Let's see if we can get up to 678. Tomorrow it might dip in the morning, so maybe we'll be flat or pull back a little bit, but Good chance we bought them. That's it. Have a good night.